Yeah, my next video is gonna be really dumb. I decided to have some crazy tools, and I think I don't know, you can't see it from here. Well, right here, hiding behind this bandsaw, there's a little squishy tool. It's a CP's. What is it? It's a Chicago Pneumatic 351 rivet squeezer. And tonight I got some fun because I'm not squeezing rivets with it. I'm squeezing something else. So hold on a second, and I'm gonna set it up and have fun watching this one. Hello, I'm back again with the crazy tool, and meet Barbie. Barbie here has slime all over her, and my wife threw Barbie in the garbage. So since I don't like to waste things, I thought we can have fun with Barbie. So I'm gonna find a pair of gloves because this thing is cold, and I probably should have found the gloves before I did this. But as usual, I am the most unprepared YouTuber on the planet. So stick with me for a second here while I get myself a dirty pair of gloves, and we're gonna see what happens to Barbie when we stick her head in a Chicago Pneumatic tool. See, like this. What's Barbie gonna do? Watch. Oh, watch. Oh! We gave her a throat massage. Here. Watch this. Uh-oh. Hey. I gave her a facelift. There we go. Watch this. Squeeze Barbie's nose. Oh yeah, look at that. Barbie's head. We're gonna see what Barbie does. Like this. Barbie arms. Look at that. I gave her some muscles. It's like this. Uh-oh. We did it again here. Move the self. Oh. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to Barbie's fingers. Oh, I want to say hi. Ah! See, kids, don't put your fingers in a CP. Watch this. Don't put your fingers in a CP 350 or your toes in a CP 351. Watch this. Oh. Don't put your leg in there. Nobody wants to get a leg caught in there. That's pretty scary shit. Come on. Damn thing won't stay. Oh, look, see? Plastic. Ah, Barbie's got a problem torturing a Barbie. That's what CPs do. Crunch, crunch. Enough bite it. Come on. Slippery. Let's stick to the face. Chewy. I took the piece off. Look at that. Stuck right in there. I'm not putting my fingers near there. So, yeah. That right there. That is discombobulate Barbie. That's when you get discombobulated. Come on, get in there. Yep, Barbie's got a. Let's see. Barbie's body won't fit in there, so we gotta focus on the parts that'll fit. Like the upper part. The bottom. Let me pause this. There we go. Alright, all you Barbie connoisseurs. This is what happens when you put your fingers in a Chicago Pneumatic CP351. Let's see. See that? That's your fingers. Pretend that's your hand. Oi, matey! Arr, crunch. Arr. Let me make some. Yummy. Anyway, you get the point. Keep your fingers off. Keep Barbie's hands off this. Barbie looks a little, it's like a dog chewed it. So, CP351s versus Barbie. Chicago Pneumatic wins. Chicago Pneumatic wins. Ian, look at the little fancy hairdo. Look. Hey. This is what happens when my daughter puts slime in Barbie's hairs. They go in the garbage. She got slime everywhere. So, say goodbye to Barbie. Bye. That was fun. As soon as I find some more old toys, I'll throw them in there too.